Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this video, I will show you how to add Roblox to stream. At first, open your stream app in your laptop. At the top left corner, click on Games. Now select Add a non-stream game to my library. A new window will pop up with list of program. Look for Roblox player or Roblox in the list. If you see it, check the box next to it. If Roblox doesn't show up, click Browse. Go to the folder where Roblox is installed and select the Roblox player executed file. Click Add Selected Programs. Now Roblox will appear in your stream library. From now, you can launch Roblox directly from stream just like other games. And that's how you have added Roblox to your stream. If you all like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.